y'all, happy Tuesday. I am about to marinate some salmon for dinner tonight, so I just wanted to come in, pop in really quick with y'all before and show y'all some salmon that I'm going to marinate. I'm going to make my own little marinade for it, so I just wanted to pop in on y'all real quick and show y'all that. Say happy Tuesday. I didn't vlog yesterday, there was a lot going on. So yes, I'm about to get this salmon together and prepped for tonight. We're gonna have salmon, broccoli, and I don't know if I'm gonna make some Alfredo noodles with it. I'm not sure yet of what I'm gonna do with it, but I just wanted to show you guys really quick. This little marinade is really quick, it's easy, you don't really have to do too much with it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I was cooking tonight. So I will be back in just a minute. Bye. All right, y'all, I think my battery might be going dead, I don't know. Anyway, here's my salmon that I got from Kroger. I'm about to just take it out of the pack. So there is that, and my hands are clean. I washed them before I came on here. These are some pretty big pieces of salmon, so I will be right back once again. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I just cleaned my salmon off, so I'm just show you what I'm putting on it. So I will be using onion, some Louisiana Cajun seasoning, some no salt Tony Chachere's, and chive spice blend. I will be using ginger. This will be for my marinade, and I have some brown sugar right here. So yes, I'm about to get this all seasoned up, and then I will be back, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here is the salmon. I put the marinade on it. I didn't show you, but I just used low sodium soy sauce, brown sugar, ginger, and a little bit of sriracha. That's all I put in it, just to give it like a sweet and spicy. It really, I made like a that's how you make teriyaki sauce: soy sauce, brown sugar, and stuff. So yeah, I put ginger, soy sauce, brown sugar, and sriracha. So this is the dish that I'm going to cook it in. So I put it in this, and I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator and just marinate some before I actually cook it later on. So yeah, I didn't put all of the sauce in there. So I have some more if we want to put some on after it cooks. But yeah, that is my salmon. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I am about to do this charcoal facial mask detox on my skin. I just need a good detox because I've been having a little oily and random like acne coming. So yeah, I'm about to do this mask, charcoal detox mask, and it said it's good for oily skin / acne, minimizes appearance of pores, removes excess oils to mattify your skin, deeply cleanses to rid skin of toxins. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, so I am back. I finished doing my mask, and right now I'm about to, I just got off work. I'm about to run a few errands and get some things that I need to get. So that's what I'm about to do now. I really didn't feel like it, but I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and do what I need to do. So yeah, I'll bring you guys with me. My face is glowing. I'm still mad about this blemish. That's that bump I had a month or two ago when I picked it. So I'm just working on getting it lightened up. It is lightening up though. So yeah. But anyways, I'm about to start driving. I haven't really picked the camera up this week. Honestly, it hasn't been nothing going on, and I've been low-key stressing about stuff, so I ain't really had nothing to talk about for real. Anyways, y'all, I will be back probably once I get to the store, and I'll bring you guys with me. Bye. I didn't vlog in Publix because I only had to get a few things out of there. I had to take my glasses off because this mask keeps fogging up my freaking glasses. So I had to take it off. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what I got in here so far. I came in here to get certain things because some stuff is better pricing here than in Publix. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got in just a minute. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I got 2 things of eggs. I got some heavy whipping cream. I got some cheese. I got some sandwich meat, some turkey breast. I got some crescent rolls and some cream cheese. And this is just my bag that I'm gonna put my stuff in. That's all I've got so far. I'm still looking for a couple of things in here. But yeah, that's what I've got so far. I got some crazy flavored chips. But yeah. Anyways. Hey y'all, happy Friday. I just wanted to pop in. I know I have not really been on here this week that much. It's been a lot going on this week, so I haven't really been on here to vlog. Let me get my glasses. I'll be right back, y'all. Anyways, y'all, yeah, like I was saying, happy Friday. My best friend and I are about to go to lunch. Yes, we're about to go to lunch. Just to catch up and talk about stuff. And get out the house. Because we was initially going to have our little girls' night thing on on today. But it had to get changed. So, yes, we're just going to go to lunch and catch up. Hope that y'all have been having a good week. Like I said, my week has kind of been a little hectic. With like work and everything. It's just been a lot going on. So yeah, I'm just glad it's Friday. I'm glad it's not raining. It is still very cold, but it stopped raining, so that's good. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and check in with you guys. Hope y'all saw the vlog that went up on Monday. I'm thinking I actually like the Monday schedule, so I'm thinking I may keep the weekly vlogs going up on Monday. So yes, you guys will probably see the weekly vlog on Monday now. Yeah, so hope you guys like that schedule and everything. I don't know what's going on with my glasses, y'all. Acting real crazy. But yeah, I will probably check in with y'all once we get where we're going. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Happy Saturday. I just want to pop in before we got out for the day. I know I forgot to come back on here yesterday when me and my best friend was out for lunch, but yeah, I'm on here now. So I just wanted to pop in and say happy Saturday to y'all. I am finishing up getting ready. So yeah, I just want to pop in. I'll probably be back in a few minutes, but I just want to pop in real quick. While I was getting ready, I had to put the rest of my jewelry on. But yeah, just want to pop in and say hey to y'all, and I'll probably be back in just a few. Bye. Hey y'all, so baby and I are out. We're grabbing us some lunch. We are at Freddy's. We're in Fayetteville, so I love Freddy's. It's so good. It's kind of like Steak and Shake, but better. So yeah. Just wanted to pop in and talk to y'all. So yeah, we are in Freddy's about to eat. We're just waiting on our food to get ready. They just came back getting a drink.
What's going on? You make video? What are you talking about?
Yeah, so we
So cute.
that's what we do.
Look at it.
That's what we doing. But I'll be back, y'all.
No.
This is our food. They got a burger and a dog. I just got a chili cheese beef dog. That's what we got. This is where we just had our little lunch, late lunch. The sun is setting. About to get in the car. Hey y'all, so we just got back home from our little date day of running around and doing nothing really. But yeah, we just got home. I didn't get to bring my camera because it needs to be charged. It's actually like on 5%, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get in before it goes dead. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in really quick. I think we're going to my friend and her husband's house tonight to have a little game night maybe. So yeah, I was gonna change clothes, but I'm just gonna keep this on. I don't feel like doing all that. So yeah, I just want to check in. I hope that y'all are having a good weekend, a good Saturday. It was actually a really nice day today. It wasn't too cool and it wasn't raining, so that's always good. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in on y'all. I'll probably be back later on and talk to y'all then. All right, bye.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard. Now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna face the consequences, but baby, yeah, you know I hate second guessing. I'm just wondering where we are. Drifting into space, keep driving on the freeway. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Baby, let me know what you are thinking. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and there for hours. We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah. But who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you.
Oh, happy Monday. I just wanted to pop in. Hope y'all are having a good Monday and close this vlog out for this week. I am actually getting some work. I'm just not having my coffee. Drinking it now. I love these glass straws. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say happy Monday. I want to close the vlog out. I want to thank you guys for your support thus far, supporting me and my channel as it grows. If you are new here, make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. Leave me some messages and some love down below. I I think I said Monday is now going to be my new upload for vlogs, and then I'll have content going up throughout the week. I'm still trying to figure out my actual content days, so yeah, just bear with me, y'all. It's coming. But anyway, I just wanted to pop in, close the vlog out for this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one.